how to fix 0x8024a204 Windows update error code in Windows 10 and Windows 11, and such type of Windows 10 or Windows 11 update error code appear. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is go to services windows, open services, and here go to background intelligent transfer service, right click on it and choose a start. If you have already in a start mode, then right click on it and choose restart. Thereafter apply double click on it, and choose under a startup type set as automatic and press apply and then OK. The same procedure will be applied for Windows update services also. Go to Windows update services, and same restart. Apply double click on it and choose automatic, apply and then OK, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows setting, right click on a start button, choose settings, go to troubleshoot and other troubleshooters, and run Windows update troubleshooters. Any corrupted file system may be a cause of such type of a Windows update error. So applies sfc scan now command, type cmd and open command prompt as administrator mode, and here execute the command sfc /scan now and press enter, and let the window complete the scanning procedure. It will scan your system for corrupted file system and your error will be resolved.